Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And this is part 2 to the Funday Sunday watch face review. We had to get this one out. Now, as I told you in the last one, we got to give away these watch faces today. We got 2 for the US, we got 3 for Canada, and we got 3 for the United Kingdom. So if you're a part of those countries, comment right away. We're going to be giving these watch faces away right away. And with that, let's get started with this awesome review. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a new developer on the channel. His name is MWDesign. I'm telling you, this watch face is awesome. I've seen it. I had to review it. Now, you're going to like this one. The name of the watch face is called Modern Health 4K MWDesign. It's a 24-hour, 12-hour watch face. And what I like about it is the design is different, right? And for the runner in you, this is going to be an awesome watch face. But for everyday casual, this is also going to be awesome. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's kick this review off. First of all, I like the fact that it's blacked out in the blacked out mode. And pretty much in the always on mode, it's going to look the same, okay? But I'm telling you, this watch face is beautiful. As you can see already, there's the digital time. Above the digital time, you get your day and your date and your battery info. Now, up under the digital time is your step info. As you can see, remember, I'm off on Sundays, so I don't do any walking, right? But you also get shortcuts. You also get step activity information, like right here, you got your heart rate. It is in the active, so if you need to tap into it, you can. And over here is going to be your floors climbed. I'm really liking the design and the layout of this watch face. I like that we got our shortcuts going around the bezel of the watch that I could tap into at will, whether I want to make a phone call or a message or my music. I mean, it's real quick and easy. It's big enough for you to tap on as well. And of course, if I tap right here, it's going to give me my step info, calories burned, everything that you need to have so far as exercising is concerned. And if you need to go into settings, you can. If I tap up at the top, I can go ahead and set my calendar or set an event in my calendar, or just simply find out what today's date is, right? So I thought this was a good look. Now, on top of that, you got this little second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch that gives it a little, I want to say, class. I like it. So also, you should know that you can customize the color. Now, right off top, this video isn't going to do it justice. You have to check this out for yourself. It is affordable in the Gear Manager store, and I'm going to simply tap right here. Now, watch the design change. Right? That's going to be first. And then it goes off into the colors. I'm telling you, this thing is beautiful. This video isn't going to do the colors justice. You have to check it out for yourself. We're going to cycle through all of them so you can get an idea as to what you're going to be in for. I like that design right there. And then they have another one. This is definitely different, right? I'm liking it. What do you think, guys? Think this is worth the download? There you go. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget, you got to comment right away. I'm giving these watch face codes away today. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Listen, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Make it a calm, relaxing day, or whatever it is that you have to do, but enjoy. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video, and please take care.